So today we have this X3 that we're gonna install. We have the 14x14 template, Mark 7. Take this trim ring, mark center on this as well. We know that it's going right here in the center. When you line it up with that center point, your cut's gonna be exact. I'm gonna go ahead and mark the ID of this. So the next step, we're gonna drill on the insides of that, and then we're gonna cut out from the top part the entire perimeter of that to make sure that that fits perfectly. We punched these 4 holes from the bottom, and we took a straight edge and marked the exterior of those holes out. We're putting tape on there to make sure that when you're using a jigsaw, that it doesn't mess up the paint. We're gonna make sure it's clean of all debris. I need denatured alcohol. Paper towels, we'll paint pen it. Where this gasket lands on these ridges, you can mark with a pencil. I've done this a handful of times, so what I like to do is just kind of score it just a little bit with the knife. You want to take and put this adhesive sealant all the way around the entire perimeter. Stabilizer piece in the back, stick it on there. The next step, getting this to compress against the ceiling. This trim piece is going to go up first. This is going to go against it. And then our bolt here, we already pre-thread nut on it all the way to the back facing the same direction. The interior of this trim ring should be identical to the cutout that you have on the ceiling. We're gonna take this spreader bar, take our bolt through the trim ring into the threaded inserts, and you'll see those on the air conditioner themselves, they're brass. You only hand tighten the bolt itself. It's very important to understand that these need 4 pounds of torque, so it's, you know, more or less hand tight, like not very hard. And then once we get there, we're gonna do about a full turn on every one of them. We went ahead and put the connection on. What we're gonna do, we're gonna start one at a time. We're gonna pull that jacket off. We're gonna take this connection and run it over top of it. I've got my crimpers, squeeze it down. I'm gonna push these inside of this. Kind of silly, but definitely make sure that negative black or positive red is in the same position. It's just plugging it in. A thermistor here, take a zip tie and make sure that's over top of the intake. There's already a thermistor up here. It plugs in directly right here where the other one is already plugged in. There's also a quick connection, plugs in, take the thermistor that's hanging down. So again, once you get that, you get the ceiling on. The reason I'm not putting this in the video is because we want to make sure that it's all insulated, protected. It's normally a last step, like a trim out step of the van build process. We'll pop this in, plug the few wires in, and then we're ready to run our AC.